Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Hello everybody. Unfortunately, Daily Dose of Internet is sick and his voice isn't doing very well. But he got a few YouTubers to help out with today's video.
This surfer was about to get swallowed by this giant wave when someone on a jet ski came to the rescue.
Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo. Amén. Y alabamos, Señor, y te bendecimos. Gracias. Porque nos has enviado a Jesucristo.
This girl gave a priest a high five while he was giving her a blessing.
This person came home to visit her family for Christmas. Her family was afraid of catching the virus, so the entire house was sectioned off with plastic. The family even gave her an observation window so that maybe she can feel included.
These guys were pulled over by the police because they were speeding. They were completely sober and weren't under the influence of anything and could not stop laughing when the officer started talking to them.
Hey, sir. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Hi, do you know why I pulled you over today?
No clue, man. I'm sorry.
What's so funny?
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
You doing good?
No,
How did you do? You want to take it?
People don't normally think it's just funny when they get stopped by law enforcement.
No, this guy, he's just been laughing all day. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
This deer was stuck in a frozen lake, but these people were kind enough to move it off.
You're welcome.
It looks like the police caught the Grinch this year up to no good.
This person got a Zelda pot that shows a surprise inside when it breaks open.
This guy knows how to draw a perfect circle.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.